So this is the inside of the box that I've been working on with the replaced third and fourth straight cut PPG gears. I've also put a new fifth on there because some moron that built it before actually ballsed up the woodruff key. There was keying this to the spline, so I ended up having to break the gear to get it off because it got all snarled up. So new fifth gears, new synchro assemblies all throughout, new bearings everywhere, main case bearings, needle rollers that all the gears sit on. Original first and second, cleaned up reverse, and the idler gears, and that's obviously a new speedo drive. So yeah, everything's nice and lined up. There's no issue on the shifters anymore, because what had actually happened, I think it was an STI third and fourth that had been put into this box previously, and it had some weird little whether it was an oil control ring right in between the actual gear itself and the synchro, and when the shifter was going, it was smacking into this ring, and over time, just with all the gear shifts, it was just breaking this ring basically, and all bits broke off in between the gear and just ended up in the box. It was a bit of a mess. Actually caught quite early because the box was still functioning fine, but obviously you don't want bits pissing around all over in your box. So yeah, I just caught it when I was dropping the oil, looking at getting the cooler set up on it. So I dropped the oil and found these bits, so that just set me off down the road of redoing everything. So this is the Kaz limited slip diff that's in the front. So I'm now just going to do a tooth pattern check, just to make sure that we've got good contact and good mesh between the pinion and the ring gear. Drive side is the concave side, and coast is the convex side on the back of the ring gear teeth. So I'll just clean the oil off these a bit and just put some gear marking compound on, run these through and just check the tooth pattern again just to make sure that we're all good.